How you doing, folks? Steve with FB Outdoors. Today is December 11th. It's Saturday, and last weekend you might have seen us on Lake Michigan fishing for some of them perch. Well, it's hard water time, and I'm fishing with Tony with FB Outdoors here, my brother. And we're going to be going for some catfish. We're going to try some largemouth bass. There's supposed to be some crappie in here, and hopefully if the day pans out, we got a little bit of rain, but that doesn't discourage us. We're out here, and hopefully we'll be on them. That sucked.
I give my all, my everything, anything you want to strive to be, I try. God knows I try.
Right here.
Or am I stuck somewhere between who I am and who I hope to be? Am I fighting a good fight?
That is great. That's gotta be for that count back.
Keep pressing on.
Look at that kid, guys. Hey, FB Outdoors. I'm gonna tell you what.
The good fight, fight. What you know is wrong. Keep pressing on. Fight the good fight, fight.
Go for 'em. Another cat, baby. The cat master.
I've come so far to fall too fast. As forward, I can't look back. Why try? God knows I try. I shift my eyes to the sky, in the distance see the horizon line. She waits for me, fighting the good fight.
Oh, look at that.
Keep pressing on, fight the good fight, fight. What you know is wrong. Keep pressing on.
FB Outdoors. Steve with FB Outdoors. FB
Fight
Outdoors,
the
baby. Where the
good
fish is at.
fight,
Gotta love
fight.
FB Outdoors.